Today's ice cream box, May's ice cream box. It did not come in a box. It came in a bag like this. Nice pinkish, it reflects the colors, but it's not in a box. Let me open it and then we will see what is in May's ice cream box. There was one thing I had to make a choice on. I guess when I sit, I'll remember. But other than that, I know nothing else about what's in there. So let's take a look. Nice big bag folded in two. There's always 5 full-size items in there, and I think I remember. Now I remember what I picked. It is Ofra Press Trio California Dream is the name. I had to pick, so I picked this. And it's Press Powder Trio. The next thing in there is Chantico Beauty. This is what this looks like. Ooh, Chantico Beauty. It's a loose pigment. You see the color? Yeah, I'll get to play with loose pigment again. And it is sealed like this. Not open, but it's sealed. The next item is a pale hydrating eyeshadow primer. I think this is my first primer from them. Hydrating eyeshadow primer base. This is it. I am like, I have not seen the little paper that comes with it. And I'm like, where the price is. So now, for the loose dual chrome pigment by Chantico Beauty, that's $15. The hydrating eyeshadow primer by Appeal Cosmetics is $21. For the Ofra, it was a choice of Lights or California Dream Compact by Ofra Cosmetics, and that is $35. Okay, so it's a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush. The next item say Luminati Glowing Lip Oil, Hydrating Ultra Shine Lip Oil. Okay, Mauve Lip Oil by Luminati Cosmetics. And that, so cute. The color is cute. That is $21. This is, I just have to open it. It's a lip oil. That's it. It feels good. It's not sticky. There is a bonus in here. I'll open the bonus last. Next item is the Legend Palette by Beauty Creations for $21. And it comes like this. Ooh, I'm loving that color. Hot pink. Yes, this is right up my alley. Ooh, this is cute, 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 cute. And it has this on there where you take out. Ooh, I love the color. Oh my Lord. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. This is the outside. And this is the back. Those colors, I'm telling you. Wait till I show you this palette. It looked like there are glitters in there. It looked like a lot of glitters too. This is the palette. You see what I'm saying? Take a look. This is the palette. This is so pretty. Ooh, I love this. This in person, this is just it's a purple palette, but they have a couple other shades in there. You can do a neutral look if you want to. This whole 1, 2, 3 is neutral. You have a little warm browns right here. You have some light colors here. Oh my, take a look. I just had to show you again. It's a mixture of everything. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. The Legend. That's the name of the palette by Beauty Creations. That's a gorgeous palette. And that is $21. Now, that is a price someone can afford. Now, there are 5 full products. Palette, lip oil, loose pigment eyeshadow, eye base, and the highlighter, bronzer, blush trio. So that's 5 items. But now on the paper, it says, bonus eyeshadow pencils by Base Blue Cosmetics, $10 each. They gave me 2. And it's a dual-ended brow pencil. These are the 2, $10 each. And that's a bonus by Eyescream Beauty. Very nice. This is how it's packaged in the box. This is your turn. It's a retractable one. And this is the brush for the brows. Now let's see what the other one is. Did they give me 2 of the same? They're the same color. That's the thing. I got 2 of the same thing. Oh no, okay. But one say number 1. I'm swatching for you. This looks like a brown, and it's a number 2. And this one say number 1. So I got 2 dual end. Here are they. I swatch it so you can see. And that lip oil is still looking good on my hand here, you see? But this is the dual end eyebrow pencil. Very nice. I'm happy with that. I am very happy with that. I am satisfied with my bonus. Yeah. I am very thankful. So these are all the products that came in the May box. And it's a May, and it's a Legends Blossom. Legends Blossom. So there were 5 full-size products and a bonus. But this palette, oh my Lord, this palette I think is, oh, I just noticed it doesn't have a mirror. Yeah, I thought it had a mirror. I was holding it like this. I just realized it has no mirror. Another look at this thing. Take another look at this palette. I'll be creating some fantastic, wild, blown out looks with this palette. I want to do some really big eyeshadow, and then I'll tame it. I'll do some tame ones. But this palette, yes. Thank you all again for watching. Please remember to share this video. I love you dearly. Remember, Until I see you and you see me, keep rising and do not dim your light for another. Bye bye.